Hey, this is Motormouth Madness. My name is Annie B, and we are so excited to be doing this collab, this snow crab and bear collab with hashtag the cannons. And guys, for this collab, I got a special guest with me, my partner.
Hey, how you doing? My name is Mike.
So y'all look, after y'all check out hashtag the cannons, my people, AJ and Danny, go down to the description box, click on that link, and come on over and check us out. Can't wait to see you. Till then, bye.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to our channel. I'm AJ, this is Danny, and we are hashtag the cannons, and you are watching
CCTV. Do you see these teeth?
No, don't blame it. You can say everything else. Anyway, y'all, welcome back
I'm so sick of him and his baby teeth.
to this wonderful,
Him and his baby teeth.
I can't even introduce us. Welcome back, y'all. And welcome, period, to those of you who are new here. We really appreciate you joining us. Today we have a snow crab and colossal shrimp.
I'm so excited.
Mukbang.
I haven't had crab legs in so long.
And also we have some Refresca Corona spiked refresher beers.
They're
beers.
really good.
They're beers, yeah, they're good. And so yeah, today not only do we have a mukbang for you, we also are doing a collab with Annie B of Motormouth Madness, which we are so excited about because you know we absolutely love that channel. We love them.
We love Mama Madness.
Mama Madness. There's some beautiful.
This B-Love sauce is wicked.
Some beautiful people over there. Her and her sister and her mom. They have some awesome recipes. Very authentic people, like from the top to the bottom. They make their own recipes and food very often. They are very genuine in who they are. And that's what we love. You know, we always love people who are just themselves, no matter what. And so, if you're looking for that type of people to follow on YouTube, or if you're looking for those type of videos to watch, make sure after this video is over, you go and check them out. We've already posted a link up here, or we've already posted a video with Annie B and her boyfriend. But make sure that if you don't do anything at the end of the video, if you're not subscribed to us, subscribe, of course. And then you go on over to their channel and you subscribe to them.
Right.
So yeah, like I said, y'all, we got some snow crab here, and we got some shrimp inside of this Bloveslife Smackalicious sauce. Ooh, it's hot. So we ain't gonna take all day with this. We're gonna jump right in this. We got some tag questions, things going on with this collab, and we're gonna eat. So without further ado, let me go ahead and say grace, and we're gonna get into it. Father God, in the name of Jesus, we ask that you bless this food, let it be nourishing to our bodies, and it's in your name we pray. Amen.
Amen. That time I actually closed my eyes.
Get some of this out of the way.
I normally don't during grace because my grandma told me, give me the passion fruit. We'll skip the last one, I guess. Because my grandma told me somebody need to watch as well as pray. So I keep my eyes open.
Right,
let me get this crab leg pop.
I got cold on me.
It did. See what this thing talking at it.
Ooh. Boy, I love it when it just come out the shell on you. Ooh.
Look at this. Look at that little mess.
It's hot. Ooh.
Your shirt might be cold up.
It's worth it. But yeah, y'all.
That hurt my hand.
We're gonna eat a little bit first. Y'all have to see this because we can't.
We ain't had crab legs in a long time ago.
Yep. Danny ain't got these questions pulled up anyway.
I do it on my phone.
Oh, do you got pull
up?
up?
Unlock them. It's right there.
Man, y'all, we saw maybe anyway. Never mind. I'll say that for another day. Another date.
What we talking about?
Love a slip out. And crab legs frustrate me whenever you get to the meat and it don't want to come out.
I don't like to work for meat anyway. Get on my nerves. That's probably that fat coming out.
Right.
I'm just trying to eat it.
All right.
Got me out here working.
To be perfectly honest, y'all, I love crab legs.
What's that?
Absolutely love them. I'm eating crab legs, snow crab a lot in my life. Well, I've never had a king crab.
And when we get one,
It's the reason we haven't gone and did it yet is because
we're waiting to get the 1K.
But to be honest, I never had king crab, which I've been very tempted to try, but I'm gonna wait because once I start, I ain't gonna be able to stop. Because I know how much I love the snow. You already snow.
Not you already snow.
Go ahead and get these questions popping. How many is it?
Not many. Come on, Face ID. Yeah, the same number that called you just called me.
Who is it?
Yeah, they left a voicemail on my phone.
Let's see who it is.
So, we got a couple questions or whatever. The first one is, if you could choose your age forever, what age would you choose and why? Hey, John, let you go.
What age? Man, look, it's hard to pick an age, but
Yeah. Still got it.
I'll say 30 is probably a good age.
Why is that?
Because you're not too old and not too young. You old enough that people respect you, but you're young enough to where you still have your youth. You're not behind on that. You know what I'm saying?
Right. I would be 22. And let me tell you why. Because when I wake up at 22, stuff didn't hurt. I wake up at 27 and say, Lord, what is 35 gonna feel like? I'm not gonna make it. But I want 22 Danielle with this paycheck that I work now. Not that paycheck needed Christ.
You can't have it all, baby.
I know.
But yeah.
Which I get what you saying with the wisdom.
I think
thing.
I want to be older. I mean, I want to be younger, but at the same time, I feel like I've learned a lot since
Yeah.
I feel like I was knowledgeable at that age, but life has taught me a little bit more now. So
the next question is, if you could have 3 wishes granted, what would they be?
Ooh, 3 wishes.
Wishes. God, I eat so slow. Why do I?
That's hard to say.
Why I eat so slow?
I guess I wish for good health, and safety and protection of my family, and probably financial security.
I want the cars, connets, and clothes, money in the hose.
The hose. I suppose.
No.
I don't know.
I don't know.
That's hard to say.
It really is.
You make them 3 wishes and you be wishing you wish something else. That's how that goes.
Maybe I shouldn't have said that. Get it, Bubby, get it. Oops, I call him Bubby. Maybe he'll cut that out. Don't get it. Don't get it. Well, if I had 3 wishes, I'd wish for good health, financial stability, and one of the dreams I always had is having a nice house. So that's what I want.
Yeah.
As a child, I always wanted a nice house. My phone is being a doo-doo head. Okay. Locking up. If you had an endless supply of any food, what would you get?
Endless supply of any food? That's hard to say, bro.
Hey, Jack, look at me roll, boy.
There you go.
Yeah.
But I don't know. I get tired of everything.
For real, it'll be hard.
I get somewhat tired of everything, but
I be saying that I know what I want to eat, but
let's say chicken, because as much as I think that sometimes I get tired of chicken, I still eat it. 90% of the time, to be perfectly honest. If I didn't have to pay for it no more in my life, I think that would save a lot of money.
Right. Even though chicken isn't costly.
But I'm just saying, think about it. How many of our meals are comprised of chicken?
Lord. Too many.
Right, so.
I think I would just do Italian food in general.
You can't subcategorize
Yes, I can.
a whole everything.
God. I can have the chicken and the meat and the other meat.
That's crazy. I mean, you gotta think, what do Italians eat? Mostly Italian food.
Well, I guess it probably would be pasta. That's not the only thing I can eat. I've ate pasta 5 days straight. The same thing. Yeah.
Your pasta help.
Hey! I ain't even open my drink. Too busy trying to eat a crab leg.
For real.
Folk don't get crab legs for a while. I don't know how to act.
Huh?
I don't even want to talk. So the next question is, if you could be an Olympic athlete, what sport would you compete in?
An Olympic athlete?
Mm-hmm. I'm about to say something dumb. I already know it. Stupid.
I'll probably be a runner.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, it's good for your heart, and I mean, who don't want to be fast?
Right. It's throwing stuff an Olympic.
Yeah.
I throw stuff.
Shot put.
That's what I was gonna say.
Shot put.
That's what I was gonna say. But I wasn't sure that was the correct time. Yeah, I throw stuff. I'm good at throwing. Oh, don't. Let me get me a bite. I think about it.
Yeah, I got these lemons. I ain't cracked.
He ain't over one.
Oh. Candy's World. Candy last. I think about it. I'm weak.
I'm thinking y'all can have none of this. Alright, let me go to the next question.
Okay. I see you. Wait, I feel like I gotta go ahead and get that piece off.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I need some onion on this one. And a lemon.
He just stick his whole hand in there.
It's not that hot.
Y'all, it ain't even that. I don't like stuff on my hands like that.
Well, you get over it after a
I can't. So the next question is, if you could be in a movie of your choice, what movie would you choose and what character would you play?
What movie would I choose? Man, these are difficult questions.
I'm the one that made them up.
Well, what's wrong with you?
Now he want me to use you want me to use the brain or don't? See what happened when I use my brain and why I don't?
These questions.
Lord, a piece done fell out. Lord, where it go? I'm here to let that go.
But yeah, I don't know.
Get some of it.
I mean, I probably wanted to be characters in movies when I was a child, but as an adult, I doubt that's crossing my mind. Maybe be one of the Avengers.
Ooh, yeah.
But I ain't trying to save nobody.
We don't say these hoes.
I'm lazy. I just want to fly around and do what I want.
Don't save her. She don't want to be saved.
Oh, yeah.
I will be in Kingdom Come because I thought it was funny. What character would I be? Not
Loretta
one.
Levine.
It's, yeah, you right. I said not none of them, but yeah. You're gonna show me that note. You're gonna show it, AJ. Wherever it is. So this is the last question. I feel like
Y'all, I know this is messy, but bear with me. I'm getting into this.
I feel like we went through them fast, but this is the last one. If you could be somebody else, AJ, who would you be?
Who would I be? I don't know. That's a question for somebody that's not happy with themselves.
Right. Because I was just about to say, I'm okay with being Danielle.
I am. Because you never know. We say how, and this is not to get on no soapbox. Not to say this is directly related to that question, but there are some people out here that really want other people's lives.
Right.
And they sit there and they sit back and they think about what they got and what they don't got and this and that, who they got, who they with, their children, their family, or whatever, and they envy it. But you don't know what that person has gone through. You don't know what that person is going through.
Right.
And you don't know how, everything that you might be looking at might be totally opposite of what's going on. So I just know, with that being said, I am content with myself, my own problems, my own issues, and I learn from them and move on and be the best me I can be and appreciate it later on.
I totally agree. Because I know AJ probably hears me complain because I do this a lot. And it's so great to be Danielle. But I really, even looking at that question now, after typing it, I would not be nobody else but myself.
Right.
I enjoy being Danielle.
And like I said,
crazy as I am. Shouldn't did the. I'm glad we didn't do the challenge with this.
What a
fire.
should have did don't wipe your mouth, because this is like the first time I ain't wiped myself in a long time.
Not wipe myself.
Wipe myself. But dang, what was I gonna say? Well, I'm saying, if you could literally like wish yourself to be somebody else and have the remembrance of who you were, a lot of people be wishing they never did it.
I'm more focused on this shrimp than anything.
Be miserable.
Right.
I'm not saying that being somebody else is what and facing their struggles is what would make you miserable, but you don't know how much you would miss your own life until you know what I'm saying? Unless you're walking in somebody else's shoes, and then you might say, yeah, they had all this, but I value what I had a little bit more now. I don't have that. The stuff that you took for granted. Like to say that the person that you might be wishing to be is not perfectly happy and content with their life. But when you get it, you know what I'm saying, you might think about all the stuff you didn't have. I mean, they didn't have that you did. So that's why I say it's always best to just, aspire for some things, but don't envy nobody else.
Y'all, we went through them tag questions quick.
We did.
Should have ate first. One thing about crab legs, you take so many to fill me up.
They do.
Because I'm fat.
That's why I said if I get these king, I ain't gonna be able to stop now.
I ain't be able to stop.
But they coming.
Or they try to get his grandma to give her Costco membership. Put him up there.
Could you put me up there?
And she said, hey, I don't know how to do that on the internet. She ain't want to do it.
Well, on Thanksgiving, when I see her, we're gonna just get on this here computer. But I need to be added up
You
there.
can't bother your grandma at Thanksgiving.
I ain't trying to put out $60.
Y'all, we got these from our local market. I guess you say the crab legs.
Seafood market. They have some king crab too, but
They cost more than
They were
if
too
we would
expensive.
order them online.
They were too expensive, and I would rather either order them online from Great Alaska or go to Costco. It's better to buy wholesale because Costco's 10-pound boxes really equal out to like $20-$25 a pound, and king crab that we saw today was like it was $37 a pound.
I don't even think Sam's Club's got king crab, do they?
They do.
Oh.
You have to order online the boxes, the big bulk boxes.
Oh, because when we went in
But I'm
there,
just going off other people's reviews. They said Costco's were better, and but that the ones that they have in store ready are the ones that's like a pound or two in a bag, and it's like 2 legs.
my son. We went in there, I ain't seen none.
I mean, Costco's is cheaper. And I wanna B-Love's older videos. She said, last year Christmas time, around this time, when she did that haul.
Oh yeah.
She said that Sam's Club don't ever do right. She ordered you order a 10-pound box, and then they supposed to have it. They don't call you when it's there. And
Sam's Club kin to Walmart.
right. Walmart ain't bad though when it comes to online stuff though.
Oh. I ain't never ordered nothing online at Walmart. Where the onion at over here? I found it.
This B-Love sauce good, ain't it?
Mm-hmm.
Whoa! B-Love Smackalicious mild sauce on deck with some kick added into it.
It's got a kick this time.
I added some heat. Cause I want the heat.
I think I like it with the heat.
Mm-hmm. It's good.
And they were hot the other day because he got a notification from Amazon talking about the B-Love sauce was in.
Yeah.
It won't.
Don't send because I need to order some more packs. Don't send me a whole notification talking about the B-Love sauce in stock.
I don't want to make it too long.
Sorry, y'all. I'm cut off. But that bite right now.
I'm going to sit down.
Y'all, let us know in the comments what you think about us doing some solos.
Alone.
We are very close to 1K.
Alone.
So if you can, share this video out.
Alone.
But once we get past 1K, we're thinking about introducing solos. So let us know what you think about that.
Yeah.
If you don't mind. If you have been here and you know our individual personalities, let us know what you think about some solos coming soon.
I told AJ I'm going to need a topic because my brain is everywhere. The hearing is there.
We're gonna get a couple more of these, and we got to go.
We got to go.
Munching with Kay, birthday is today. She's going live, so we got to go support.
Yeah. Yeah.
I don't know if you can see it, but not. But
What you got? What you got? I'm trying to get every little piece.
let me tell you something. Sam's World, if you're watching, or if you watch Sam's World videos, this part of the snow crab, this right here, she snapped this off. This go to the side.
She ain't nothing with that.
She don't fool with it at all. I'll be weak.
I be trying to get every little piece.
For real.
Like, what is that? What is trying to do?
All right, y'all. Whew. We still eating, but we ain't gonna hold y'all up.
No. Ain't even no need. This piece fell on the side. I'ma eat it.
Thank y'all so much. Wait a minute. I think I'm gonna dip this whole knuckle in there. You know, the best part of a crab leg for me be the knuckle. So I can't wait to get some of this king crab, boy. Ooh. Anyway, y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching this video.
You better like.
We really appreciate it. As I stated before, this is a collab with Motormouth Madness. Please
Motormouth Madness.
Make sure you go visit their channel after watching this video. Subscribe. Show them all kinds of love. Annie B, Leslie B, Mama Madness, and now
boyfriend.
Annie B's boyfriend.
Boyfriend.
And
just my boyfriend.
This my girlfriend, y'all, that I married. And so what?
I was waiting for him to say something else.
You know what I'm gonna say?
Something crazy.
Anyway, y'all, you see, I ain't even focused. Make sure y'all show them some love, y'all.
Do it.
Cause they're
Right
pretty good
now.
people. They have they're over 1,000 subscribers. They're growing as far as content and their subscriber base is yet still growing. So please go add to their family. Show them some love. Tell them hashtag the Cannon sent you. And if you don't mind, give this video a thumbs up. Drop a comment below. Tell us what you think. And yeah, just continue to stop by, show love, and we'll do the same for you. Daddy, take us out.
Baby, these things ain't right. Got me like I'm on crack. Bye-bye!